Renovating a home or designing a commercial kitchen shouldn't feel like a guessing game, but for many homeowners and aspiring designers, the gap between a pretty mood board and a successful construction project feels impossible to bridge. Hi, I am Tam Wynn. I have over 16 years of experience in interior design and construction project management. From high-stakes restaurant renovations to complex residential builds, I've spent nearly 2 decades navigating the dirt and details of the job site. Now, I turn educator to share the exact systems and frameworks the pros use. So if you are a design student, decorator, or aspiring designer, I created Interior Design and Construction Mastery to help you move beyond the basics and master the technical sides of the industry. And for homeowners planning a project, my renovation planning studio is here to give you the professional framework you need to renovate with confidence, avoid costly mistakes, and actually enjoy the process. On this channel, we dive deep into commercial kitchen design, restaurant renovation strategies, residential project management, and the business of being a professional designer. So whether you're building your career or your dream home, I am here to help you master the craft. So hit that subscribe button and let's get to work.